Oh, well. Wait a second. It's not raining. Gotta head to the pool. Well, I guess we're going to the pool today, finally.
Finally.
All right. All right. It's about a 30-second walk to reach the pool. 20-second? I think I'm slowed down to 30 seconds. My old age. Well, I don't know. We made it in 20 seconds. All right. All right. Looks like we got the pool to ourselves. An actual sunny day. Love it. Pretty relaxed, Sue? More like it, huh? This felt good, though. Well, that was a good afternoon. Okay, nice day.